They say that the tools don't make the craftsman, but the truth is they make a big difference. Starting off your journey with the right set of woodworking tools will not only improve your experience with the craft, it will save you a lot of money in the long run. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Number 1. Punch Locator Drill Guide from TBVHOMM. Time saver quick drilling. It is easy to set up. It only takes one time for setting up, and then repeat for the rest. It is a good punch locator drill guide and helper for woodworking or DIY. Strong material and accurate scale. Made of high-quality stainless steel, aluminum, and ABS plastic. High corrosion resistance, high strength, high hardness, high precision. It is your ideal hardware woodworking tool. Easy to carry and store. The punch positioning drill guide can be divided into smaller sections for easy portability and takes up less space. Comes with a storage pouch. Widely application. Suitable for almost all cabinet door style and rails, including door handles and built-in drawer fronts. Ideal for all builders, professionals, and cabinet makers. Premium durability. It is strong enough to be used thousands of times, even by contractors. Number 2. Wood Scribe tool from Yuhoo. Used as a professional carpenter's compass for woodworking, metal processing, or leather products. Easy to draw. Drawing compasses, used for repeated measurement or drawing arcs and circles. Adjustable distance, easy to use. Circle pen. The fixed pen is perpendicular to the center line and fixed on a wooden board for use. Material. Aluminum alloy material, simple and convenient daily maintenance. Durable. Number 3. Connectable contour gauge from JOREST. Connectable contour gauge. You can splice the 5-inch and 10-inch contour gauges by tightening 4 silver screws. For silver screws are located on the 5 inches contour gauge. Then you can have 3 sizes of contour gauges of 5 inches, 10 inches, and 15 inches, which are suitable for more scenes. Scenarios for 3 size contour gauges. 5-inch is very suitable for some narrow spaces. 10-inch can measure most object contours. 15-inch can copy larger object shapes. Various uses. 3 kinds of sized outline gauge tools are suitable for woodworking, wallpapering, carpet cutting, tile laying, and other purposes. It is a good helper for DIY enthusiasts, carpenters, and architects. Well designed. The splicing profile gauge is designed with 2 measurement units, inch and centimeter. The thickness of the blade is only 0.05 inch, 1.2 millimeters, which is high measurement accuracy. With locking mechanism, the copied shape can be kept without deformation after locking. The spacing of the spliceable profile gauges is less than 0.06 inch, 1.5 millimeters. The blade tightness can be adjusted by a screwdriver. Number 4. Corner clamps for woodworking from WETOLS. Cool gadgets gifts for men. It comes with a nice gift box, which can be great gifts for men, dad, husband, grandpa. A set of 4 corner clamps is perfect for aligning, nailing, woodworking, welding, screwing, making cabinets, box and picture reinforcement, furniture repair connection, wooden DIY projects, etc. Adjustable and accurate, fast fixing with boards and frames at an angle of 90 degrees. Superior quality. It is made of premium quality polyamide material, which is durable for long service life. Strong flexible spring. Huge spring tension can keep boards sturdy in place when screwing or gluing them together. Single-handed operation. It is lightweight and convenient, which can be operated with one hand. Number 5. Multifunction Scribing Tool from Saker. Versatile adjustment. You can change its shape according to your needs. Only need to change the tightness of the pencil holder and nut to achieve different shapes to complete the demand. It can be locked and fixed after each adjustment to ensure precision accuracy. High quality. It is made of high quality with aluminum alloy that surfaces with anodic oxidation treatment, which could help to extend the service life of the product. Easy to use. The scale of Woodworking Linear Arc Scriber tool is clearly visible. You can draw parallel lines and arcs according to your ideas, which is very convenient to operate. Compact. The size of the product is very small. The weight is also very light. You can put it directly in your pocket. Its unique design of shirt trouser belt clip makes it easy to carry in storage. Wide application. It is a multifunction tool with over 15 marking applications, including tiling and paving, stud walls, gables and paneling, infill panels, shop fitting, and built-in furniture. Number 6. Drawer Slide Jig from Kreg. Premium home improvement tool. Take the guesswork out of drawers with the Drawer Slide Jig. Easily create level drawers that slide smoothly. Install drawer slides the fast, easy way for drawers that fit perfectly every time and slide smoothly. Eliminate measuring. Kreg Jig has built-in indexing tabs to precisely align drawer slides and drawers without measuring. Accurate slide positioning with built-in indexing tabs. Repeatable results without measuring and marking. Works with many drawer slides. Drawer Jig aligns undermount, ball bearing, and epoxy coating slides. Multipurpose carpenter tools. Works for cabinets, cases, drawers, desks, and more. Reversible to mount slides to cabinet and drawer box. Secure for holding slides in place as you work. Number 7. Aluminum Digital Angle Finder from RISEPRO. High accuracy, measuring range. Measure slope angles 0 to 25 degree range. Measuring accuracy, plus or minus 0.5 degrees. Vertical and horizontal bubble vials. This digital angle finder, with 2 bubble vials, vertical and horizontal 0 degrees and 90 degrees, is designed for fast and easy operation. Large LCD display and backlight. Large and clear LCD, 45 by 18 millimeters, with blue backlight. Wide applications with 2 arms measurement. The displayed reading corresponds with the internal angle between the angle moving arm and the base arm. It is perfect for measuring the exact angles such as trays, sloping roofs, and handrails, while it can be used in lineation for woodworkers. More value-added features. Data hold function to freeze the measurement, 5-minute auto power off, low battery alarm, 389 millimeters ruler on moving arm, hanger hole, etc. Number 8. Pocket Hole Jig Kit System from Milescraft. Built-in imperial and metric scales and board thickness settings. The built-in scales allow you to easily measure the thickness of your workpiece. There are 4 common board thickness settings built into the Pocket Jig: 12, 19, 27, and 38 millimeters. Easy readout arrow to help define your board thickness setting. Spring-loaded sled adjustment button. Easily adjust the board thickness setting with the single sled design and sled adjust button. 2 hardened steel bushings. Tight tolerances between the bushing and the drill bit reduce tear out and create a clean and precise pocket hole on the first try. Recessed clamp pocket with magnet helps to keep the clamp in the same position as you move to different locations. With the stronger rare earth magnet, it can be easily clamp the jig from one location to another. Built-in depth setting. Simply set the stop collar in the recess and adjust so the step of the bit is to the corresponding line. Quick change connector. Quickly and easily change from drilling to driving. Number 9. Self-centering Doweling Jig from AUTOTOOLHOME. Quickly drill multiple accurate holes. Clamp the Doweling jig kit with Doweling jig bushings on a workpiece to effortlessly drill dowel pins that require precise right angles and exact alignment. No measuring or calculating necessary. You can even take precision a step further and mark and align the jig to get perfect results. Various applications. For extremely accurate guide holes for the supplied bushings, which makes this jig an essential part of every carpenter's toolbox for serious jointing of miter, butt, and edge joints. Solid steel guide center holes are precision drilled and reamed to exact size for maximum accuracy, so you can drill bit for mortising, constructing wooden frames, and repairing tables. Ease of use and strength of jig make it perfect for trade school and woodshop class. No loose parts to get lost. Fits most stock. Self-centering action allows up to about 2.5-inch round or square stock. Maximum capacity. You can drill 2 identical parallel holes without moving the jig thanks to the 5 standard SAE drill boring sizes: 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, 5/16 inch, 7/16 inch, and 1/2 inch. Hole sizes are permanently laser etched for quick, accurate use. Built to last. Solid precision hardened steel center block construction for ultimate strength and longevity. Large steel clamping screw tightens the tool like a vise with the rugged aluminum sides holding your work securely without damaging your application. Regularly clean and lightly oil the center screw for smooth action. Number 10. Hinge Drilling Jig from BI-DTOOL. It is made of engineering plastic. This is a set of guide tool for installing concealed hinges, very accurate. It comes with adjustable dials design, limited to 3, 4, 5, and 6 millimeters, very accurate and makes measuring a breeze. The concealed hinge jig is suitable for 35 millimeters hinges and also available with 26 millimeters hinges, and was so easy to adjust to many doors. The drill bit is razor sharp, easily drill the new holes with minimal effort and no breakout or chips. Simple to use with any drill. You don't have to be a well-equipped woodworker to install these hinges. Perfect for any handyman who needs to do hinges.
If you like to buy any of these products, please check out the links of the purchasing in description below.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.